about 168,000 bags misplaced by airlines operating in the UK on an annual basis. However, there is a unique solution to this particular problem. Don't you think that your travel experience deserves to feel legendary? Choosing a high-quality, durable luggage that is well designed could be a solution to this problem. Maybe you are asking yourself, this is the right time to invest into a durable, high-quality luggage that is actually proudly made here in the UK. If you don't want to miss out on investing into your life, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. It is not easy to find a good quality, durable suitcase on high street. Therefore, I'm going to be talking about alternative options. There are popular mid-range premium manufacturers out there that do have an international reputation, known for providing a good balance for quality design and value for your money. However, there is a challenger in this place, a brand that manufactures its suitcases in the UK. Let's give you well-made luggage examples. My favorite one is Monos and Rimowa. When we look at these brands, they appeal to a conscious traveler that is looking for a luggage that is durable but also offers him to travel in style. When we look at the concept of Monos, we can see minimalism, we can see different color options, but most importantly, when we look at the Monos design quality process, we can notice that they manufacture their products to a high standard. They have taken their luggage wheels to a new level. When we look at brand Rimowa, they offer a similar quality. However, they focus on different designs that can speak to many users. Okay. However, when we talk about mid-range luggage market, we need to consider the price points. When we look at brands like Monos and Rimowa, their standard suitcases that do not offer the largest capacity retail at around £560 per suitcase. Now, do you personally think that you are getting a good enough quality for this amount of money? These are the top quality factors you need to absolutely consider when choosing your new suitcase. We are talking durable, ABS plastic materials, manufacturing location, how many handles does your luggage have, adjustable telescopic handle, 360 rotatable wheels are very important, and choosing a luggage that has high quality reinforced wheels is a no easy task. Therefore, I would like to introduce you to a challenger brand, which is Legendixa. And this is exactly where the legendary luggage solution was born. Luggage isn't just a durable design quality piece anymore. It can also be a personalized artwork. This is exactly where legendary luggage competes. Let's talk about how my brand is different from these very popular brands. Because legend must endure, legendary luggage never compromises design or quality. Our luggage has been engineered with premium durable materials. Personally, when choosing new suitcase, I like to pay big attention to durability, quality, and the actual design of the suitcase. Wherever your destination might be, you want to ensure that you can escape chaos of the airports and international travel with a suitcase that is actually reliable and is not likely to get lost. When we are looking at mid-range luggage market, you are not getting the very best personalized customer service. My brand offers a personalized customer service. What does it exactly mean? You can actually personalize your suitcase with your name initials, and with certain collections even beyond that. Your luggage is less likely to get lost. And this is not because of personalization, but it's because of the particular design. When we look at the airports, when you see loads of travelers prefer particularly wearing black or dark suitcases, if you are one of those passengers traveling with a suitcase that might look like someone else might have their suitcase, your suitcase might get easily lost. The idea is that you want to escape the monotone suitcases of the airports, and this is exactly where our luggage shines. With a detailed design placed in a golden frame, your suitcase is unlikely to get lost. Spot the detail in the frame and own the legendary feeling. You deserve to travel in style, you deserve to feel legendary. And this is exactly the solution we offer with our legendary luggage. So head over to our website, explore our latest collections. At a minute, all of our collections offer generous luggage space so you can travel with peace of mind. More sizing options will become available later. All of our suitcases are proudly made here in the UK. However, due to strong demand, the capacity of our manufacturer may be limited, and occasionally we may need to use our manufacturer that is based in the US. However, the entire production process is strictly vetted to a UK standard. All of our manufacturing processes follow our strict UK manufacturing standard. For more details on the production process, please refer to the details on our website. Beneath this video, you can find links to my most favorite suitcases. On top of our high manufacturing standards, we got a high quality control process in place. Please note, all parts of our luggage are sourced from premium locations that ensure high and strict manufacturing standards. Our largest suitcase options is also expandable, and the internal lining is fully removable as well. Legend endures, but it also offers a competitive space and sizing options that fit your needs. I believe that traveling deserves to feel legendary, and you deserve to own that feeling. What are you waiting for? Head to the links in the bio. Back when I was in my early 20s, I would normally choose a suitcase from High Street. However, after many attempts of trying to find a good quality suitcase, I was quickly disappointed by seeing how many brands and manufacturers fail on the wheel side of the things, which means that after a few trips, my luggage would break down. Especially the wheels would be the most noticeable part. Loads of manufacturers do not put high quality wheels onto their luggage, which means they are not well enough reinforced. However, here at Legendixa we solve this problem because our wheels are ultimately optimized and reinforced, which ensures that our luggage will last you many years. Additional level of quality control also ensures that the printed design actually remains in pristine conditions for years. If you wish to know more details what actually inspired my luggage collection, please check my other video that will be linked here, or alternatively you can find it on my channel. Whenever you travel, wherever you travel, your luggage deserves to feel absolutely legendary, and this is the concept behind legendary luggage. You are not traveling with a piece of boring black suitcase. You are traveling with a piece of luggage that displays a shiny artwork to make sure that your luggage actually never gets lost. Our luggage is positioned in mid-market premium range, which means you are getting an immaculate UK-based customer service with personalisation options. These personalisation options are not normally available in the mid-luggage market. We are #1 leaders in durable quality, stylish and noticeable luggage in the UK, but also internationally. Our luggage is proudly manufactured and personalised in the UK. What are you waiting for? Grab yourself one while stocks last. I personally believe that the non-negotiable part of every single suitcase are 360-degree rotatable wheels that actually needs to be manufactured to a high quality standard. And if you notice, from most high street manufacturers, you don't get that durability and quality, but with our brand we are different, we are legendary. I'm never afraid to break the status quo. The quality of all our luggage products proudly beats the mid-market premium range, so we can deliver the absolutely divine customer service. We also offer a free fast UK delivery at no extra cost to you whenever you shop any suitcase on our website. As the CEO of my brand, I oversee the entire production process so that your mind can rest at peace. Our OCD quality control standards are unbeatable. We legends, we were never afraid to set a new high quality manufacturing standard for luggage. Beyond our immaculate customer service, we offer additional service that involves personalized consultation that you can book directly on our website, so please make sure you check the links below. All of our suitcases are competitively priced, and you are getting a high quality compared to the international leaders, and at a fraction of price. You don't really need to look anywhere else. Wherever you may travel with your legendary luggage, you are traveling not just with a piece of suitcase, but with a piece of artwork that is personalized to you. Our latest collection celebrates the innovative spirit of the British Empire and the very best artwork from 19th century. So while you are on your journey, you have a story to tell. Legendixa. Own the legendary feeling. I do hope that you actually found this luggage comparison video useful, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you need any help regards choosing the very best luggage for your trip, please let me know in the comments below.